Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel with another exciting Excel tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to use subtotal formula in Microsoft Excel. Using subtotal formula in Microsoft Excel is very easy. I will explain it to you that how to use it. So this video is going to be very interesting, so complete watch the video and subscribe my channel. So let's start the process. I have designed an Excel sheet for you. Look at the Excel table. In column 1 I have taken item numbers. Next column I have taken the customer names. Next column I have taken the different products. In next column there are categories. Next column contain order date of the product, and the last column contain sales amount of the products. So this is the data set. I will teach you how to use subtotal formula in Microsoft Excel. The first step is to take the total of sales amount. Look at the sales amount column. In the last I have to take the total of sales amount here. I will apply the subtotal formula here. Simply select the cell and write the formula equal subtotal and open the bracket. Look here, there are many functions. Function name, for example, in position 1 there is average, count a, max, minimum, but I have to sum it. I have to sum all the sales amount. So look at the last 9 sum. Click on it and press comma, and in reference space simply select the cells of sales amount, close the bracket and press enter button. So this is the total sales amount. Now it is the time to apply subtotal formula in all the table. Simply select all the table and go to the data tab and find filter option here. This is a filter option. Click on it. Look, filter is applied on all the table. Suppose I want to apply subtotal formula in category cell. There are two options available here. First option is stationery and the second option is office. I will apply subtotal formula one by one on each. Uncheck all the cells. I want to apply only stationery item. So simply select stationery item here and click OK button. So this is the subtotal of all the stationery items. But look at the item number range. The order is ridiculous here. I have to fix it. To fix the problem, the first step is to clear the filter from category cell. Click on the filter and now click clear. See, the filter is removed from category cell. Now to fix the problem in item number, go to the item number cell. In first cell, we have to write a formula of subtotal. Select the cell and write the formula equal subtotal, open the bracket. This time you have to select third option, that is count A. Press comma and select the first cell of category. Lock this cell. Now press colon. Again select the cell and close the bracket. Now press enter button. Drag the cell till the end to apply the same formula in all the cells of this column. Now go to the category cell and apply the same formula again. Click on the arrow option and select the stationery and unselect all the other like office. Click OK button. This is the total sales amount of the category stationery. See, in the item number, the order is arranged now. Change the category and total the sales amount of office. To do this, we have to clear the filter from the category section. Click on it and press clear. To apply the same formula in the next category, that is office, click on the arrow and select the office and unselect stationery. Click OK. This is the total sales amount of office. So that's it, how to apply subtotal formula in Microsoft Excel. If you have any question about the entire process, then please tell me in comment section. And if this video was helpful for you, then please do subscribe to my channel to get more videos on Excel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.